Hi friends, today I am going to say how to set Pikachu notification as ringtone. First, go to Google. It will open. Then go to you search Pikachu notification sound. Before only I have searched, so it's stored. I'll press Pikachu notification sound. It will load. It will take some time. Then go for this first option. Pikachu notification ringtone download Mom's Club. Then here see how many of the Pikachu. It will say how many members they download. Top for your best one they'll select. I like this one. This Pikachu. I didn't like. This one will listen. Pikachu. I like this one. I'll download. It will open. Then go for down. Here download from MI for MP3 for Android. This one for iPhone. If your phone is iPhone, you will download this one. Mine is Android, so I'll press this one. Here option they'll give to download. Press this download. It will download here. So okay. Then here see they give Pikachu ringtone notification tone. Press Pikachu ringtone. Again it will open up. It will show. Though again it will show this one. How many top songs this one will listen. Pikachu. I like this one. I'll download. Again go here. Download MP3 for Android. It will load here. Here again accept this. Download. It will download. It downloaded. Then exit from here. Check here. It will come. Downloaded successfully. Now then totally come back. Go for theme. If you go for theme, it will load for some time. Again go for profile. In profile go for ringtone. After going for ringtone, plus this plus button. Go for files. It opened. Pikachu notification. Okay. Listen. Pikachu. I'll apply this one. Press apply. Not ringtone. I don't want for this one for ringtone notification. Pikachu. Text messages. Then press plus button. Again go to files. Here it will come see up Pikachu. Press this one. Okay. It came. Apply. This if you have doubt you can check this. Pikachu. Now you can apply this one. Ringtone. And I want for alarm. So I applied. It is applied. Then totally come back. If you get any messages, it will come up. Okay. Still you have doubt, then go for settings. If you go for settings, press sound and vibrations. Then see here, ringtone, notification, Pikachu, all Pikachu. Okay, now come back. Your notification have been uploaded. Then now whatever any notification will come, you have to be. It will come Pikachu song. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please bell icon. Thank you friends. Let's meet in next video. Bye.